Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making dumpling and chili sauce. What you need is some dumplings and some green onions or scallions. What I have here is obviously some garlic chopped and some ginger chopped and some green onion chopped. And of course, you're gonna need some hot chili flakes, my favorite. As you guys know, I do like it spicy. So here we go. In a hot pot, you'll need to put some water in it. And in my other pot here, you'll put oil. You can use vegetable oil, sesame oil, whatever oil you like. So in this hot pot, we're just gonna put in the dumplings before the water boil because it's raw, so we want to make sure that it is cooked all the way through. We don't want to eat raw meat, so we are just going to put it in like this. So how have you guys been? I've been sick, like you guys can hear me. So yeah, I've been dealing with that for about a week now. And we're just gonna put it down slowly. Make sure that it doesn't stick with the other ones that you put down, because sometimes when you put too much in the pot, it does stick together. So make sure that it doesn't do that, and also make sure that it doesn't stick on the bottom, because sometimes if you don't stir it right away, it does stick on the bottom. So I am just going to stir it a little bit. And then in my hot oil, I already put the stove on high. I am ready to put all the ingredients in there. So first I'm gonna put in my hot pepper into my good yummy stuff. And I am just going to mix it. Let me grab a fork or a spoon here so I can do that. There we go. We're just gonna mix it together. And there goes Duzzling in the kitchen again. And then when the oil is really hot, we're just gonna pour it in. And make sure that you don't get burned, because if you aren't careful, it will pop and you will get burned. So make sure that you don't get burned. And then I'm just gonna turn off the heat because the oil is really hot, as you guys can see. I'm just making sure I have everything from that bowl into the oil. It smells so good. Let me tell you guys. You guys won't know the smell of it until you guys have tried it. So you just want to stir it and make sure that you use not a plastic spoon or a wooden spoon, so it doesn't cook in your oil. So use something steel like what I'm using here. So I am just gonna stir it. Like you guys can kind of tell that it was sticking to the bottom because I didn't stir it. And this is the first time I'm trying this recipe out. People say it's really good. I haven't tried it, but I wanted to try it with you guys. So here it is. It's starting to boil. I'm getting very excited. It is good. It's been cooking for about 8 minutes. So we're just going to make sure that you don't get any of the liquid. So that's why you use a strainer spoon. You're just gonna put it into your bowl. Oh, I'm so excited. So what I have in the dumpling is pork and some shrimp and, you know, ginger and green onion, you know, all the goodies. And then I did put some soy sauce in there. So we're just gonna plate it. See you guys in a bit. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So what you're gonna do is put some soy sauce all over it, all wet and good. And then you're gonna put your sesame seed over it. This is so good. My mouth is watering just telling you guys that. And then here comes the chili oil. So excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It just looks so yummy. Oh. You guys have to make this at home. And then we are just going to top it off with some green onions, and that's it. That's all that I have for you guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye, loves.